and welcome to House of Jackson Tip Tuesday. Today we are going to be talking about half square triangles. Now normally when we make half square triangles, we mark the center line then stitch either side. What I like to do to get a neat and accurate finish is I use the half square and quarter square triangle tool. I simply align both centers with the corners. Then I mark a line each side of the tool. Once I've marked my lines, I then go ahead and I stitch along the lines. This is one that I've already done. Once I've stitched along the lines, I then cut the center, then press both my seams to finish off with two neat and accurate half square triangles. The reason I like this is because it gives me a neat, accurate finish. Along with that, I can stitch exactly on the line without having to stress about keeping my foot aligned. I also love this technique because of the neat and accurate results I can achieve. Now I hope you've enjoyed today's Tip Tuesday and find it useful for your next quilting project. Please tune in next Tuesday for another Tip Tuesday. Along with that, have a look at my Facebook and Instagram at House of Jackson. Along with that, if you're after anything from today's Tip Tuesday, such as the half and quarter square triangle rulers, head to my website, which is www.houseofjackson.com.au. And don't forget to stay safe, stay inspired and stay stitching. And thanks for watching.